Ano po ang reaksyon ninyo dito nga po sa bagong Philippine banknote natin kung saan wala na po yung mga imahe ng ating mga bayani?
Opo, sabi nga po namin sa aming statement, no, it's like we are forgetting, the all the sacrifices that were done by the fathers of this nation. Unang-una, ang perspective po talaga namin dito, initial reaction was that ano ba to? Is this another one of those history distortion or revisionism? Kasi we look at these things from a wider perspective kasi eh. Everything has started, 21st century, the first decade. There was an EDSA revolution video that is meant to discredit EDSA and the legacy of Ninoy and EDSA and the people's legacy. And now in 2016, we remember how the dictator was buried at the libingan ng mga bayani. Of course, most recently there are the two holidays that were, first the EDSA anniversary holiday, which was now relegated to a working holiday. And of course, we can all remember yung August 21, 1980, I mean, just this year, where they, on short notice, they decided to change the schedule of the actual day na walang pasok. Ginawa nilang long weekend because of holiday economics kuno. And now we have this. But of course, from our end, our organization, we're not just concerned about Ninoy here. We're concerned about all the heroes that are now being removed, There's a new version ng supposedly polymer bills. And sabi nga namin, ano ba itong technology ng polymer na to? Sa hayop lang ba ito gumagana? Yun yung unang tanong namin. Bakit hindi pwedeng polymer and then we still have the heroes, And especially now, we are remembering the martyrdom of our national hero, Jose Rizal. And we remember, and in fact, we quoted his words in our statement. I die without seeing dawn's light shining on my country. You who will see it, welcome it for me. And don't forget those who fell during the night time. Sa nangyayari ngayon, parang bang binabaliwala natin yung mga ganitong pakiusap sana ng ating bayani.
Sir Volt, ang sinasabi ng BSP dito sa bagong disenyo nitong polymer banknote natin, hindi naman daw aalisin yung mga old bills natin na nandoon po yung pagmumukha nitong mga images nga ng mga bayani natin. Kumbaga, dagdag lamang ito. At sinasabi din nila, dito daw kasi sa bagong disenyo, yung biodiversity ng Pilipinas ang gusto nilang maipakita. Ano pong tugon nyo doon dito nga sa eksplanasyon ng Bangko Sentral?
Like I said, there will always be justification. Ito mga bagay na ganito, tingnan natin yung wider perspective. Balikan natin yung mga previous na nangyari o ginagawa ng gobyerno. But regarding that statement from the BSP, unang-una, it remains to be seen. Remember how in 2021, they decided to change 1,000 peso bill. No? Tinanggal yung ating tatlong bayani from World War II. Namely, Jose Santos, Vicente Lim, and Escoda. Now, sabi nila, ganun din yung justification nila at that time. But as of now, it remains, I don't think any of us have seen any Ferdinand Marcos signature on any of those 1,000 peso bill with the three heroes. Ang ibig sabihin lang po nun ay baka po hindi na po sila nagpiprint. So for how long na magsasabay po ito? Naiintindihan po namin ang kalagayan ng ating mga endangered species, no? At importante rin naman sa amin to bilang Pilipino. Ang tanong lang namin, hindi ba pwedeng pagsamahin yan or pagsabayin? Halimbawa, in the previous practice, di ba, may mga pera tayong lumalabas, andyan yung mga bayani, and then at the other side, dun, perhaps we can do yung ating endangered species printed there at the back of the bill. Yun yung mga tanong na hindi klaro sa amin. Why they have to do this? In fact, this is the first time in our history na nawawala ng muka ang isang bagong version ng paper bill natin. The last time was during the Japanese occupation, which of course is understandable dahil alam naman natin ang gobyerno ng Hapon noon ayaw maalala ang mga bayani ng Pilipino.